welcome back to part 5. Yes, part 5 because pagadi din nyo hacker. This is the same server the Kulon hackers. Again, do not ask why but join ko lang the Kulon na hackers. Kulay puti sa bado. Yan pati ang lalaki yan. Yan pati daw bado niya duck. Yan pati hacker. Halata lang, hanap. Hey guys, gadan ako dahil hacker. Yes! Yay! Gadan ako hacker. Gadan ako hacker. Yes, queen. Gadan ako dahil hacker. Yes, queen. Yes. Look at this hacker. Where's that guy at? Send that the hacker. Wait, in the isay the hacker. Hello, hurry up!
I'm live right now.
Oh, yan hacker. Na, the hacker. Oh, yan hacker. Oh, sorry. The girl leave kay because I very sa ability sa hacker. So, yeah, the girl leave. But dito yung hacker. So, bye-bye, guys. Yan pa hacker. Hey guys, yan pa hacker. Sabi ko napusan na. Yan hacker. Kala niya hindi aram sa hacker. Yan name niya and say your skin. Look at this. Inayan mo sa. So yeah, that girl's a hacker.